If you do what I'm about to explain to you, you will make $200,000 a year. Whether there's a job opening, whether you've got experience, you will put yourself in the position to make $200,000 a year. First thing, you got to realize sales is where the money is at. You've got to learn a sales process. Check out eastonuniversity.com. Look at our sales process. Get a sales credential like our certified master sales consultant. Then what you need to do is go out and use that sales process to talk to business owners, to talk to companies and sell them on hiring you. There are so many positions out there with $100,000 base, $150,000 base, $300,000 at total comp, which is your base plus your commissions. When you know how to sell and you can prove to that company that you can come in, you can generate top line revenue and bring their business, new business, it's very easy to make $200,000 a year. If you have any questions at all, or you're even interested in sales, give our offices a call. My people would love to talk to you. I'd be happy to talk to you personally. If you want to make $200,000 a year, sales is where it's at.